DevOps is the buzzword these days. Only enterprises to survive nowadays are the ones that have incorporated DevOps in their own corporate processes. Take example of Google, Microsoft, Canonical, JetBrains. These are the companies that not only develop products for DevOps, but they have embraced DevOps and the benefits it has. If you want to succeed and to get to market quickly with your product and to tackle the problems in your app, and if you want an edge over the competition, then this course is for you. As we explore the DevOps projects on Microsoft Azure, demonstrating how easily and quickly you can connect your tools and enable DevOps pipelines. Hi, this is me, Krali, and welcome to this course, Hands-on DevOps on Azure. DevOps and Azure both are the latest and the greatest technologies, and we can use them to build the next generation solutions. DevOps being merely a concept of enabling the enterprises achieve more, and Azure being the cloud offering by Microsoft enabling enterprises achieve more and do more. In this course, we will explore how you can deploy DevOps solutions on Microsoft Azure and what services and benefits Azure will have for DevOps team. I'll be working along with Afzal Ahmad Zishan as the co-author throughout this course. So let's have a quick introduction of both of us. I'm an author on C# Corner and Pact. Besides, I'm a software engineer at Mixit Technologies, which is a USA-based trading company. Apart from this, I write blogs on a variety of different topics in my spare time. Now about Afzal. He will join us for the practical implementation and the detailed explanation of the concepts. He's a Microsoft MVP, author at Pact, C# Corner, and the Core project. Also, he is much interested in working for communities and build cross-platform and cloud applications. Now let's have a quick overview of the intended topics and their respective sections that what we are going to learn in this course. Section 1 will be about the overall introduction of DevOps. We will discuss a little bit of the background. Also, we will examine what were the major problems which were aimed to solve with the adherent of DevOps implementation in the software industry. Please note that this course is not about DevOps itself, rather how to deploy DevOps solutions on Azure. And we will not go in depth of DevOps implementations, tools, or best practices, but best practices for Azure DevOps project is the main topic for us over here. In section 2, we will talk about Azure and DevOps. We will see what Microsoft Azure has to offer for the implementation of DevOps cycle and what tools and services we can have to have a go-to pathway for these implementations. We will also explore Azure DevOps project limitation and suggest whether this is for you and for your team or not. Potentially, section 3 will be the practical part in which we will create a DevOps project on Azure and we will talk about the overall settings and configurations which we will need to understand in order to practice the DevOps concepts on Azure platform. Section 4 will be the most interesting part. We will share a lot many useful concepts in this section, such as Visual Studio Team Services pipelines, continuous integration, testing in the release environments, Azure build agents, and whatnot. In section 5, we will configure the Azure App Service. Topics such as development slots, testing, production configuration, etc. will be addressed and discussed. We will learn how to extend and further modify the infrastructure to meet your organizational requirements such as computer power. Then we will move ahead towards section 6, which is about workflows. We will discuss how the separation of concerns in terms of individual teams and departments can be achieved using these concepts. Other concepts like the core commit and alerts will be covered in this section. This section will talk about the concepts that you need to know before performing the pipeline related operation on your production environment. We will also automate and demonstrate one of our own apps and demonstrate what was done by Visual Studio Team Services on the project and how our applications are automatically upgraded without human intervention. Finally, the section 7 will be dedicated to talk about the main components of this whole concept, which is monitoring and management. Whatever you have done, now you want to sit back and see the results in an easy and managed way using alerts, different error codes, etc. We will also explore how you can monitor live traffic, how you can trace problems in the production code, and how to fix them. That is merely a quick overview of the sections and what you can expect from us and from this course. In order to follow along this course, you will need to have a Microsoft account with the Azure subscription as in IDE, the Visual Studio, or the Visual Studio Code, either the community version or the enterprise. And there is no bound of the version, like you can use 2015, 17, or any of the versions. And you will also be needing Node.js runtime. Now let's get the course started formally. We look forward to you joining us on this track.